Hello guys, welcome to Flutter Android and iOS AI machine learning deep learning course using TensorFlow Lite. In this course you will learn how to make your own deep learning and machine learning Android and iOS application using Flutter with TensorFlow Lite. You will learn how to make your own object detection app, live object detection app with your phone camera. You will learn how to make your own face detector or face recognition app with live camera. For example, if there are hundreds of faces in front of you, let's say in front of you there are hundreds of people, then the app will simply deduct all the faces. You will also learn how to make a CAD Detector app, CAD Breeds Detector app, using which you can identify between different cat breeds. For example, if the cat is Ragdoll, Epsian, or if it is Persian, or many other cat breeds. You will also learn how to make your own image captions predictions app, which simply means that you will simply turn on your live camera and it will tell you all the things that is going on in this live stream. For example, here you can see on the screen a person is typing on a screen. So it says that an open laptop sitting on the top of a screen, and you can see the prediction changing at real time, which now say a person using a laptop computer on a desk. And here you can see I'm sitting on a desk. So that is really cool. Here you can see it. Now if I move camera toward a computer, mouse and keyboard, it's a close-up of a keyboard and a mouse, and you can see the other two predictions also. So it will basically predict the captions according to the live camera view, the camera, what is going on in the background. The next app that we will develop is basically the Avengers characters recognizer app, which will simply identify, or you can say recognizer, all the characters, you can say the actresses and actors in Avengers. Here you can see Thanos, and then if we select another picture, here you can see Black Widow. You can also capture image with your phone camera. For example, here if I capture this picture, then here you can see it says Captain America. The next app that we will develop is basically the flowers types recognizer app, which will recognize different flower types. For example, this one is tulip flower. If we select another picture, for example, this one is dandelion. And if you can also capture any image with your phone camera. For example, I'm going to capture a picture here. And here you can see the next app is the Pos Estimation app, which will basically recognize the different poses. For example, your left eye, right eye, your left shoulder, right shoulder, your left hip, your right hip. Here you can see. The next app is the image to text converter app, which simply means you can capture any image with your phone camera that contains, no matter if there are human being in it or anything. But if that image contains any text, then it will basically extract that text from the image and it will display to you that is this text. Here you can see it on your screen. For example, if I capture this image, so here you can see it. You can also select any image from your gallery and it will display the results. You will learn how to make cat and dog identifier app, cat and dog classifier app, in which basically you will capture image with your phone camera, or you can also select image from the gallery and it will basically tell you that this is a dog or this is a cat. Here you can see the example on your screen. The next app that we have is basically the Fruits Detector app, which simply means you will simply point your phone camera toward any fruit live, okay, with a live camera, and it will tell you. Here you can see it will predict the fruit's name. For example, the first prediction it made is grapes, and then the other one you can also see the first prediction about this one is bananas. You will also learn how to make your own dog's breed identifier app, which will simply identify any dog's breed. For example, here you can see this one is German Shepherd. Then here you can see a Van Hound with live camera. Okay, this is the live stream. Here you can see the names. If I change the image, here you can see American Foxhound. And many other apps that we will develop in this course. We will develop 15 plus apps in this course. So see you guys in the course.